morning from Bora Bora. We're just out here on the lanai having breakfast. Well, not breakfast. Some slices of pear and some cappuccinos. Waiting for the sun to rise. We're in Bora Bora. There's another cruise ship over there, or another ship. Maybe it's a yacht. I don't know. It's kind of big. So we're just out here listening to the island chickens. Pretty amazing. Bora Bora, the jewel of the South Seas. A place that I think everybody wants to visit at least once in their lifetime. And even on a rainy day, the stunning beauty of the island was breathtaking. But we weren't here to see the island this trip. We had our eyes set on the beautiful Blue Lagoon, and we were eager to do some snorkeling.
Do you know the music, that local music that we have for those places? Dun dun, dun dun. Baby, no, there's a new one. Baby shark, dee 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 dee, baby shark, dee 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 dee, baby shark, dee 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 dee. And then wake up to daddy, daddy shark, dee 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 dee. Okay, we are going to the other end, to the other side of the motu. We call this motu, and we have a special place for snorkeling. Snorkeling. But we had that place many coral. That means when you swim like a barracuda. Okay? Not like a seahorse. A seahorse on the coral. Barracuda. Okay?
George and the crew maneuvered the boat to a spot in the reef that was close to the barrier reef, yet shallow enough to get up close and personal with all the local aquatic inhabitants. The reef was vibrant and alive with an abundance of marine life surrounding this little patch of underwater heaven. This kept us quite entertained and was a beautiful introduction to snorkeling Bora Bora before the next stop, the sharks and stingrays. So we were so excited about swimming with the sharks and stingrays, we went ahead and made its own video. Be sure to check the link. For us, this was not only a trip of a lifetime with Paul Gauguin, but it was also our 20th wedding anniversary. Paul Gauguin Cruises truly made our celebration more magical every day, and when we arrived in Bora Bora, we were treated to a Tahitian celebration of love. Words cannot express just how amazing this moment was. If you've been thinking about taking that special someone on a special vacation for a special occasion to a special place, doesn't get more special than this. This is it. Go ahead, book your trip. You won't be disappointed.